When I think of the forest products industry, I really kind of think of a three-legged stool. You have the logging transportation side, you've got the manufacturing side, and then you get the timberland side. It requires a logging industry to harvest and sever that timber from the land, transportation to get it from the actual timberland site itself, and then the manufacturing. And in manufacturing here in the Northeast, we really have, you've got pulp and paper, you've got sawmills, you've got biomass, and then you've got small specialty mills that might make dowels, that might make small wood products, etc. All three of those are critical. Without one of those, that three-legged stool will not stand. I'll speak to Maine. It's an $8 billion contributor to the overall economy in Maine, which places it as #1 as far as any of the industries. That being said, and a lot of people think of Maine in forestry, oftentimes they don't think of New York. The last statistics I saw is in New York, the actual overall contribution to the economy is actually larger in New York State than it is in Maine. Part of that is the overall larger area of timber growth that takes place in New York State, but also in Vermont and New Hampshire, very significant parts of the economy. Farm Credit East provides a variety of loan products to the forest products industry. We do everything from working capital and operating loans to term loans to purchase equipment. We do real estate loans. Those real estate loans can run out 7 to 10 years or even longer than that. Oftentimes manufacturing facilities need 10 or 15-year financing terms to build, maybe it's a new sawmill or a new planer mill, etc. We also do timberland loans. The comments I often hear from borrowers is, you know, it took me a year and a half to train my lender about my business. That's not the case with Farm Credit East. We're going to bring a knowledgeable lender to the table. And I think the other thing that we bring is very competitive rates and terms. Because we understand the industry, because we have the knowledge of the industry, we oftentimes can tailor loans around either the business cycles or the harvest plans. For example, in timberland, we can tailor the repayment around the harvest of that timber. I've been with Farm Credit for 35 years. The people that I work with day in and day out are very good people with a solid interest in helping out the farming, fishing, and the forest products industry. The customers that I have worked with over that 35 years have been salt of the earth. Many of their customers are second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth generation families whose desire is to have a good, solid business, to have a place for their kids to come back and work, and to have a nice place for their employees. It is, to me, what makes the job fun is dealing with people that not only have appreciation for you know, their business and their employees, but also for the lending institution that they do business with. So it's been gratifying, and it's you know, it's been fun.